Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I'm going to show how to create a mobile application with chart inside of it. I will use Appery mobile platform and their new editor Ionic 4. First, let's create new application with name chart app. Application is ready and let's open screen 1. The most easiest way to build a chart is using chart component, so let's add it on screen of our mobile application. Chart component supports different type of charts. Let's consider probably the most useful and the most easiest type of chart, line chart. First, let's add variable with name data with type any and specify value as array of numbers. As you guess, these numbers will be used to draw our line chart. Then go back to Design tab, select the first chart component inside of our chart container and specify property data as a data. And that's it. Now we can see how our chart will looks on mobile phone. Press test button. Application is ready and we see the line chart, but here we see only data without labels. So let's add labels to our chart. Came back to our Appery editor, go to code and add one more variable with name labels, and again specify type as any and value as array of labels. Then go back to design mode, select chart container and specify property label as a label. Press save and test again. Now our chart looks better. We see not only the data points but also labels, but name of our line is undefined. It's a little bit inconvenient, so let's add more user-friendly name. Came back to our editor, select our line chart and specify legend label as my chart. Save and test. Now we see my chart, name of our line chart, but let's add title to our chart. Came back to Visual Editor, select chart container and here specify show advanced properties, title, expand title, then specify text, for example my first chart title, and specify property display as true. Save and test. And now we see chart not only with name of the particular line but also with name of whole chart container. That is all what I wanted to show in this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them under the video.